Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video, I want to show you how to clean a toilet. Often rust stains and limescale build-up on the toilet walls are caused by poor water quality, and with each flush, this limescale accumulates even more. I can clearly see the streaks where the water drains from the tank, and there is already a build-up of limescale inside the toilet. It's important not to let things get out of hand. If you know you have hard water, have various impurities in the water, and notice that limescale buildups very quickly in the toilet, don't let it build up to a few millimeters thick. Just try to clean the toilet regularly. We will need a small plastic container. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. Next, measure out approximately the same amount of washing powder and add it to the salt. Now you need to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the product. And essential oil from 5 to 10 drops. The last ingredient to add to this solution is water. It should be warm. I add 200 milliliters of water. This is the toilet cleaning solution we have. To make the solution easier to use, pour it into a bottle with a dispenser. If you don't have anything suitable at hand, then you can take a regular bottle and make a hole in the lid. Shake the product before each use. Next, you need to completely soak the inside of the toilet bowl. Now let it sit for a while to allow the solution to soften all the dirt. If the limescale isn't severe, like mine, 10 minutes will be enough. If the toilet is dirty and the limescale has accumulated, soak paper towels in the cleaner and apply them to the stains for 1 hour. If you want your toilet to be truly clean, you need to clean not only the inside of the bowl, but also the tank, lid and surrounding tiles. I use a spray bottle for this. It washes dirt out of all the crevices well. I mixed 1 cup of warm water and a couple drops of antibacterial liquid soap in it. I spray everything well and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, fill the spray bottle with warm water and spray the toilet again. Pay special attention to hard-to-reach areas. The dirt has softened there, and you can rinse it away directly with the stream of water. After cleaning, the toilet tank, lid and seat should be wiped dry. I use paper towels for this. I wipe up any water that dripped onto the floor with toilet paper. If you have dirty tiles and grout around your toilet, watch the video included in the tip. In it I show you a recipe for a cleaning paste that will clean everything. The lid is clean, so I can start cleaning the toilet bowl. I use a toilet brush for this. As you can see, all the dirt and limescale is removed perfectly. The lid is clean after washing. The toilet is also sparkling. This is what it looked like with streaks and limescale before cleaning. And now it's white and looks like new. You can make your own toilet cleaning solution using various ingredients. If you don't have any of the ingredients I've shown, check out the description for links to other videos. By the way, this toilet cleaner is enough for more than one use. If you use it regularly, it will last a long time. Here is a simple way to clean your toilet and get rid of unpleasant odors. Try it and share your feedback. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.